amazing today on the 19th of June 2023.
Asunto-osakeyhtiö Kullankukkula.
Kullankukkulankatu 1 in Lahti. Lahti's Finland, and it's bottom-driven traction with 6 floors, built in 1976. They're 45 years old in 2021. And the number is H37046. It's going to be expected next year, 2024, with 6%. It was difficult to get this here and get this filmed. I don't think I've seen so many from 1976 or mid 1970s that are bottom driven.
Yeah, same here.
Maybe we can, that's why I can take 2 rides.
Yeah.
I used to. I just forgot something. Pretended to be.
Expected by Kivais, maintained by Kone.
Sometimes one just needs to pretend that they forgot something.
Yeah. I don't like this controller at all.
It's not reacting.
Yeah.
But I like the smell in here.
No, same here.
I think I want to see the Alanda one first. Just can do it.
Yeah. That's